Hello everyone, are you tired of your inbox looking like a digital dumpster fire? Well, meet Mailbird, Mailbird. It is the email app that promises to organize your chaos or at least make it look prettier. But is it a productivity superhero or just a fancy paperweight? Let's crack open this bird and find out. You see, Mailbird, when it comes to the category of unified inbox, Mailbird has all your emails in one nest, so there's no more 12-tab panic. But the con is that it is unified until your work and Tinder emails collide. When it comes to speed, the pro is that it is lightning fast, unlike your ex's reply time. While the con is that it is lightweight unless you add 10 integrations, then it becomes a turkey. When it comes to design, it is so sleek even your spam folder looks classy. But the con is that customization, more like pick from 3 shades of beige, beige. Next, when it comes to integration, the pro is that it plays nice with WhatsApp, Slack, and your crippling app addiction. But the con is that it is seamless unless you sneeze and then it crashes totally. And lastly, if you look at the price, the pro is that one-time fee, no subscription vampires. It's one-time fee. They're not subscription vampires at all. But when it comes to the con, that one-time fee is for lifetime license until Mailbird 2.0 drops the next year. So the question might be, should you let Mailbird rule your inbox? If you're drowning in emails, then yes. If you're a Gmail purist, well, enjoy your 47 unread tabs. You see, Mailbird is great for taming chaos, but maybe keep a backup pigeon. It's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful.